Children, welcome to mathematics class. We have studied about addition and subtraction of rational numbers. Today, we are going to learn multiplication and division of rational numbers. Multiplication of rational numbers. Now, how to multiply two numbers or rational numbers? A rational number and an integer. Let's see that. Now, let's take an example. Multiply negative 3 by 5 and 7. To multiply a rational number with an integer, we have to multiply the numerator of the rational number with the integer, and the denominator can be kept as it is. So here negative 3 into 7 becomes negative 21 by 5. This is the answer of this multiplication. Let's see another example. Here negative 6 by 5 into negative 2. So take the numerator of this rational number, multiply it with this integer divided by 5. We get 6 into 2 as 12. Negative and negative becomes positive divided by 5. This is the answer. So only the numerator should be multiplied. Let's see another example in which we are going to multiply two rational numbers. In the previous example, we multiplied it with an integer. Here we are going to multiply this with another rational number. Here also we have to multiply the numerators together and the denominators together. So here we get 3 into 1 as 3, 4 into 7 as 28. We get 3 by 28. In general, we can say that when we multiply a rational number by a positive integer, multiply the numerator by that integer, keeping the denominator unchanged. And when we multiply two rational numbers, multiply their numerators and then multiply their denominators. Write it as another rational number. Now the last portion left in this chapter is division of rational numbers. For that we need the reciprocal of the rational number. When we did subtraction of rational numbers, we took the additive inverse of the second rational number. Same way, for division, we are going to take the reciprocal of the second rational number. So, reciprocal of a number 3 by 5 is 5 by 3. Same way, reciprocal of negative 1 by 7 is negative 7 by 1 or 7 by negative 1. Both are same. If you put negative in the numerator or in the denominator, the value is same. Now, when we divide two rational numbers, we have to find the reciprocal of the second rational number and we are going to multiply it with the first rational number. When we divide two rational numbers, multiply the first rational number with the reciprocal of the second rational number. Now let's do exercise 9.2. First question is find the sum. Two rational numbers are given. So what is the first step to see when we have to find the sum? First we have to see whether their denominators are same. This should be seen only in addition and subtraction. Denominators need not be same in multiplication and division. So when it is addition, first check whether their denominators are same. If they are not same, find the LCM. So to find LCM, I have used this method, and here when I find it like this, I get the LCM as 5 into 3 into 2, which is equal to 30. Now, how to make the denominator of the first rational number 30? 10 into 3. Since I multiplied denominator with 3, I have to multiply numerator also with 3. Plus What about the next one? 15 can be made as 30 by multiplying with 2. Same way, the numerator 22 can be multiplied with 2. Now let's see the multiplication of this. 9 3s are 27, and that is negative 27 by 30. And the next rational number is 44 by 30. Now here we got both the denominators same. We can directly add the numerator as we have learned before. So it becomes negative 27 plus 44 divided by the common denominator, that is 30. Now 44 and 27 both have the opposite sign, so we have to subtract. So when we subtract 44 minus 27, we get 17. The sign of 17 is positive because the larger number is 44 and it has got a positive sign. And the answer is 17 by 30. Let's see the sixth part of this question. Negative 2 by 3 plus 0. The answer is negative 2 by 3 because any number added to 0, we get the same number. Let's do the seventh part of this question. Negative 2 1 by 3 plus 4 3 by 5. Now here both are mixed fractions. So we will convert it into fractions or rational numbers. That is 3 into negative 2 plus 1 divided by 3, and the other one becomes 5 into 4 plus 3 divided by 5. We get the first one as 3 into 2 is 6, negative 6, plus 1 becomes negative 5 by 3, plus 5 into 4 is 20, 20 plus 3 is 23, so 23 by 5. Here we have the different denominators, so we need to find the LCM of these. So here LCM is 3 into 5, which is equal to 15. Now let's make both the denominators 15. So for that, what should we do? 3 into 5 is 15. Same way, the numerator negative 5 into 5. The other rational number is 5 into 3 is 15, and the numerator becomes 23 into 3. We get the answer as 5 5s are 25, that is negative 25 by 15, plus 23 into 3 becomes 69, 69 by 15. So here now the denominators are same. We can add the numerators. So we get negative 25 plus 69 by 15. Here one is negative, other one is positive. So we need to subtract. When we subtract this, we will be getting 44. That is positive 44 by 15. This is the answer. Let's do the third part of the second question. Find negative 6 by 13 minus negative 7 by 15. Negative 7 by 15 is put in a bracket so that there is no confusion between this minus and this negative sign. This is subtraction. So we know that when we subtract two rational numbers, we should find out the additive inverse of the second rational number and add it to the first rational number. So additive inverse I am writing in short form as AI. Additive inverse of negative 7 by 15 is positive 7 by 15. Okay. So now we are going to add this positive 7 by 15 to the first rational number. So we get it as negative 6 by 13 plus additive inverse of second rational number is 7 by 15. Now this has become the normal addition of rational numbers, but the denominators are different. So we have to find the LCM. LCM of it is 195. So LCM is 195. So let's write down now 13 into 15, and numerator becomes negative 6 into 15. Next one is 15 into 13. Other numerator becomes 7 into 13. Now let's find out this. Becomes negative 90 by 195 and this will become 91 by 195. So we have negative 90 and positive 91. Since the signs are opposite, we have to subtract. So negative 90 plus 91 by 195. So our answer is 1 by 195. Let's do the third question and fifth part from that. Multiplication of two rational numbers. Multiply the numerators, multiply the denominators. So it becomes 3 into 2 by 11 into 5, which is equal to 6 by 55. Fourth question is division. Find negative 4 divided by 2 by 3. As we have done additive inverse in subtraction, we have to do reciprocal in division and multiply with it. So here we can have negative 4 multiplication, division becomes multiplication, and reciprocal of this, that is 3 by 2, reciprocal of 2 by 3. Now it has become our normal multiplication. Multiply the numerators and denominator, keep it unchanged. So here we get negative 12 by 2, which is equal to negative 6. Now we do the third part of this question. It is negative 4 by 5. First rational number in the same way, multiply with the reciprocal of negative 3. Reciprocal of negative 3 is 1 by negative 3, because here the denominator is 1. Reciprocal means just interchanging the numerator and denominator. Now multiply the numerators. You get negative 4 into 1 as negative 4. 5 into 3 or 5 into negative 3 is negative 15. This becomes 4 by 15. Let's do the seventh part of this fourth question. 3 by 13 divided by negative 4 by 65. Write the first rational number as it is. Division becomes multiplication. Reciprocal of the second rational number, 65 by negative 4. Now multiply the numerators. You get 195 by negative 52. Or you can reduce it from here itself. 65 can be divided with 13 and 13 goes 5 times in 65. So we get 5 3s are 15 by negative 4 or negative 15 by 4. So either we can simplify it here itself or we can write it as 195 by 52 and then simplify it. Children, thus we have completed the chapter 9. You have to try the remaining questions in the exercise and complete your notebook and send it to me as early as possible.